Imagine this, you have worked hard, saved up, and now it is finally time to own your dream home in Kenya. But where do you start? What if you make a costly mistake? What if you get scammed? Today, I will take you through the exact steps of buying a house in Kenya. And as a bonus, I will take you through an exclusive tour of a 3-bedroom maisonette in Kibiko, Ngong that could be yours. Step 1. Before you start the process of buying a house, ask yourself, what does your ideal home look like? Maybe you want a peaceful neighborhood with fresh air, breathtaking views, and easy access to Nairobi. If that sounds like you, then you will love this home in Kibiko, Ngong. But first, let's talk about budgeting. So, step 2, get your finances right. Buying a home, it is not all about the asking price. There are legal fees, stamp duty, and other hidden costs. That's why I always tell my clients, get pre-approved for a mortgage or have your finances in order before house hunting. In fact, some of our clients at Veewave Enterprises, especially the Kenyans in the diaspora, prefer to have everything managed for them remotely. That's where our property management services and our fully automated Nailah Property Management System come in. Step 3, find the right property. Now that you have your budget in check, the next step is finding a house that ticks all the right boxes. And speaking of a perfect home, let me show you this beautiful 3-bedroom maisonette with an SQ all en suite located in Kibiko, Ngong. Step 4, conduct due diligence. I have seen so many people lose money because they rushed into buying without proper verification. To avoid scams, always do the following. Number 1, confirm land ownership with the Ministry of Lands. 2, verify approvals with county authorities. And finally, number 3, work with trusted professionals. At Veewave Enterprises, we help our clients navigate this process smoothly. And if you own rental properties, our Nailah Property Management System automates everything: rent collection, tenant management, and reporting. So you never have to worry about late payments or tenant issues. Step 5, make an offer and close the deal. Once you are satisfied with the property, it is time to make an offer and complete the paperwork. And guess what? The beautiful maisonette you just saw is available for sale. Imagine coming home to this space, enjoying the cool Ngong breeze, and waking up to a peaceful, luxurious lifestyle. If you are interested, contact us today for a private viewing. And if you are watching from the diaspora, we handle everything for you, from property management to tenant placement. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more real estate tips and exclusive property listings. In conclusion, owning a home in Kenya is a dream within reach, as long as you follow the right steps. So, tell me in the comments, what is your biggest concern when buying a house? Let's discuss, and maybe your question will be answered in the next video.